When you're first getting started with Drupal, the interface can feel a bit overwhelming. So let me quickly talk you through the broad areas of the page. At the very top, we have our administration menu. This includes a top level here, and as you click these, it changes the secondary menu down here. Most of the links that you'll end up using are under the Manage tab. As you click the links in the submenu under Manage, you'll reveal different parts of the administration. And several of them include additional submenus. So when we click on Configuration, there's even more areas to explore. You can expose these deeper menus without clicking these items by moving the toolbar to the side. So now under Configuration, you can see these sub-menus that align with these different boxes here. This is a nice way to explore a bit, but there's a couple of contributed modules that we can use in order to make the navigation even quicker and smoother. We'll talk through how to install those in a moment, but it can be valuable for many people who work with Drupal to understand how to work with the interface without the additional modules, because sometimes you might find yourself in situations where you're just not allowed to install them. So moving the toolbar to the side is a good way to explore the sub-menus, but if you want to see everything laid out, what you can do is go to an administrative page. I'll go to Structure, and then in the breadcrumbs, click on Administration. There's a tab up here that says Index, and this includes a full list of all of the links and sublinks in this menu here. So if you're looking for something in particular, you can come in here and do a browser search. Let's say we're looking for themes. You can see appearance show up here. Also, once you find a page that's valuable to you, say this index, what you can do is click on the star next to the title, and it will add it to your list of shortcuts, so you can easily jump to it without having to go through the full navigation. So these are some ways to get around, but there are some additional modules that make it much easier.